This is SM AirSet. Uncompromisingly sustainable. A true breakthrough in braking technology, using pure air for greener operations. Clean, future-ready design. Built with no alternative gases and no extra recycling processes or costs. Undeniably efficient. With its footprint and connection positions identical to SM6 and adoption of the familiar 3-position switch, it couldn't be easier to transition to SF6 free. High-performance operation. Delivering a full range of function to fit your needs while better protecting your network. Even the first SF6 free switch fuse. Powerfully digital. IoT connected for health monitoring and ready for condition-based and predictive maintenance. Enhanced safety. With nearby control capabilities and built-in arc flash detection. Innovation, powered by pure air and digital.